Hi everybody, good morning. This is a new room released yesterday by TryHackMe. Registry persistent detection. Basically, this how malware can inject code like software or something in the registry. When you start the machine, you automatically start with this. You can see this. Please, please select. Uh, please, please let me persist. And it tell you press enter. So let's start the machine. We started already. So the well known for Windows machine for registry key. Let's go to the registry. They are well known that this is the 4 keys for AutoRuns any software. So if you check them, you can see is the key the current user or the local machine. So one of these two, and this one is two. This is the run one and then run once. So basically, this is the one when if you want to check if any auto run software is for you. So if we go, for example, now let's say local machine like this example, softwares. You can see software. You go into Microsoft. You go into Windows machine, the Windows folder, and then run. If you go here, do my current version, and then look for the run folder. You have run, so you know you have two. Run once, there is no, it's a normal one, but run once is strange here. We can see what we have in here. This is the folder local machine, software, Windows, Microsoft. So you can see the local registry. Already we found something here interesting. This one is look normal, at least security health system. This one is strange. It's an update local. Let's see if we can see it. This PC local C, we have users, we have administrator. Okay, let's view, show hidden file, the updater, then we have the local folder, then we have BD84. This is definitely not Windows. This is a window batch file. Let's, for example, what is the value name of the suspicious registry entry that run during startup? You can see now the suspicious. Of course, this is suspicious because it look the name is strange. So the value name is this. So basically, it's a default. So and then what is the value data of the special registry entry? Value data is this. What's the one we found it already? So Control C, Control V. Then what string is displayed in the console when the suspicious file run? Okay, now it's this file. We can confirm it is. So it's a place. Let me persist. And if you close it, it will open again. Let's wait for it. It should be persisting, this one. It will pop up again. Let's wait for it. It should be. You know what happened to it now? Where are you? It doesn't want to persist anymore. Okay, now we can call it from here. So if you start it, you can see it start by showing please let me persist. So what exactly is doing? If I tell you continue, please let me persist. No, it closed. Okay, I thought it's the one that keep popping. Okay, so this is the file in any case. So we found it by the manually here because this is the folder that you should check always. One of them will give you the information. This straightforward will give you some funny things, so you know it's now of course looking manually is a problematic. So that's why, for example, we have the AutoRun PowerShell model. And another room, system internal room, they use just or AutoRun. AutoRun is also one of Microsoft system, AutoRun Windows. So this is what I think I remember this one. We use it in another room from TryHackMe. Usage, simply run AutoRun and it shows the currently configured auto start application. Of course, in this room we're using a different approach. They give us this PowerShell model. Basically, it's in GitHub. AutoRun model was designed to help to live incident response and enumerate AutoRun artifact. So basically now it's a command line where the good part of it, you can use PowerShell scripts. You can see boot execute. Oh, there's a nice command there. This is the example. Okay, let's do this one. For example, now if I go to my PowerShell, where are you, my friend? Why are you not starting? I don't know why this PowerShell is. Hello. What's wrong with you, Windows? Let's wait for it. In any case, so now the command is get command mice model autorun. Here we'll choose the model that the function that have when you have 3 of them, so we can get help. Why my PowerShell? Is that like the same old problem of it says coming? Okay, get command model autorun. Let's see. Now we have 3 of them. Now let's say get help. Why I'm typing wrong today? Get help. Should we put the whole thing? Let's see. Get autoruns. Changes. Let's see if we want to learn something about this this command. No. Okay, get help for this function. Compare autorun baseline. So autorun baseline basically what the names compare two baseline file of autorun artifact. Okay, so if we do the next one, get ps autorun. PS autorun is get autorun entries, so this is straightforward. Retrieve a list of program configured to auto start at boot logon, and then if we go to get help for the next one is new auto baseline autorun baseline. So this one is create a baseline from autorun artifacts as a PowerShell script PS15. So if we go now to these questions and say what autorun function used for getting and displaying the autorun entries, we got this one. The PS autorun is clearly said retrieve a list of program configured to auto boot or log. Sorry. So it's this one. Now the next one is what autorun function is used to create baseline file from autorun artifact. So we have because remember there's two functions, they look like the same. Compare and then new. Now what what is that? Which one we got? New AutoRun baseline, and then there's the compare. The new baseline is create a baseline from AutoRun artifact in the PowerShell script. So it's this one. Now the next function, what AutoRun function used for comparing, to compare stuff. Compare, it says compare two baseline file for AutoRun artifacts. So now we're comparing two files. So we got directly this these two. Now, of course, now the AutoRun have a lot of information. Now AutoRun PowerShell has a function called PS AutoRun, which will give a list of all of it. So if we type this function now, we'll see get PS AutoRun. You can see there's a lot of information will go out. It will run. So the best way, so let's Control C. So to look at it nice, we need to get out grid view. The nice about grid view, now it will open these little things, and of course this one is easy to read, and whole things that it will take place. So we can see all these things that happen on AutoRun. You see that current version, services, all of it, it's still looking, it's still writing. Wait for a couple of minutes for 2 to finish to get the result. The result above lists all possible places a program can run and start up. You can filter the result by specifying keyword filter. So you can type here, let's say I wanted boot. So we have these ones. You can specify parameter switch when calling the function to filter the result according to the previous mentioned category. Open new PowerShell window and type help command and list available parameters. So if we go to get help, get dash PS AutoRun and then detail. Okay, I'm doing mistakes, and we have all of this, and we have now we have the list of the functions that you can use. So you have the syntax, and then you have all of this. You have here the all boot executes. This is the category we can play around. This, and then you have another one. It's you have an example one. For example, get PS AutoRun boot there, and there. Which that function I was looking for? Give me a second. Okay, now let's do what parameter switch is used to filter an artifact related to boot execution image. If we look now for if you look for this list now, which one is related to boot? You can see it come from us this. Let's get help for this switch. This boot execute. Let me see if we can get help. Can you ask the switch to give us help? No. No, I forgot how to get damn it, no. Yeah, but it's a switch. Oh shit, what the hell happened? No, it's not a command. What? No, he went back to the AutoRun. So yeah, we know it's a switch, so I know that's the switch you use. So I want to get more information about it. How to get the help for a sub command. The example is it show you how to run them. Let's type get help. Yeah, but that's what we did. Get help. Get ps autorun with examples. He just print me the last example as before. For more information, for technical information, click. So basically the same command. Just get. I'm not sure if we can get. So I think that's the only information you can get. I'm not sure if you can get more detail for each one of them. But in any case, how many entries are outputted using the parameter switch from the previous? Okay, so if we want to do that, so we need to run with the switch. So how many entries? We got only one. So the one with boot execute category, it's only one. So basically this is one is straight. Now what parameter switch is used for filtering the artifact related to printer driver and status monitoring? Why it's not like Linux where like why don't like grep? Is there grep here? Grep printer. Let's try it. I think we need to learn more about. Is not. There's no grep. Objective rep string. So you put it in the No, it doesn't work. It doesn't know about grep. Is there grep in PowerShell? It's not recognized. I think there is something on PowerShell you can filter with it. So I'm not sure. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I think I need to learn some PowerShell. Like for example, if you like Linux, you can grab directly the line that say about printers. So where is the printers now? So we need to look for it. Boot, explore, image hijack, explore add-on, logon, Windows codec, printer. So it must be this one. Printer DLS. Switch to gather artifact from printer monitor category. So this is the category. Now let's run it. Let's see how many categories we have in this computer. Okay, how many of them? This is 1, 2, 3. This is 4. This is 5. So there are 5. So let's have 5 of them. But should be some kind. And then what parameter is used for what parameter is used to add a new column to show whether a file digital is signed? Digital, you can see switch to report if a file digitally signed with a built-in get authentic code signature commandlet. So this is the command that usually that's on have that digital signature on all of them. So now you can see now it's searching all categories. How many entries have now specified with a parameter and use get auto to get signed column. Of course, there's two ways to do this. If we do it like the Omar way, because we'll be let's do it with the easy way first, and then let's get it with the out grid view. the parameter we're looking for is this sign. The question is how many of them are not. Let's see. It's still calculating now. Let's do that, and now we need to look for the ones that are not signed, so they are they are in order, so it's still calculating. You know, when it's finished, we'll see the line here in PowerShell. It will go to the next line, so let's wait for it. It's done. Let's do this. Let's reorder the column. Click in there so you order them. So you can see empty, 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 and then there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. The rest of them are all true because now I reordered the columns, so there are 3. But let's confirm. Where is that command? I found it. I was searching on it this morning. So this is the command that where object. I saw this. He has it here. This is type of the same kind of. So if we do this, where, I think that's a PowerShell someone need to learn. What's my function? Where, oh, where object, where, well, at least this one worked for me. I'm not sure if there's a new baseline file need to be created using a new baseline. Okay. No, but it's similar, but not where object, and then because now we're looking for the sign, so it's variable. That's how they do the variable. Let me see, underscore dot signed, because we're looking for the signed, and then equal to false. This is worked for me. I tried the normal text false but didn't. So basically here what we're saying is this is the sign that I'm filtering on the sign column variable, the sign, and just ask for the false. So if I put this now, we will do his calculation again, and it show you the first one, the second one, I can get is a bit slow. I'm not sure it's the machine or Windows, because so how many of them have 1, 2, 3. Let's wait it for it to finish. So it's 1, 2, 3. Let's wait it to do the calculation. So basically we expect to get same. We're supposed to get 1, 2, 3. It's still calculating, but let it calculate. Okay, that's fine. So we confirm now it's 3. Just do it. Okay, how many he found? Don't tell me he found 4. 1, 2, 3. 3. So it's 1. This is 2, and this is 3. So we have the same values. So we have the same values. So we did the same, and we tried with PowerShell. So we done that. So let's go back to our. Let's make sure close these things. I don't need them. Now the baseline basically that's the best way. If you have a new computer, you get to compare between the two. So the already room create baseline for us. The first one is there. It was created before. It was in 6.11.6.22. So this is baseline, the first one. Now we need to create a new one for comparison. So of course, so now we go get ps autorun verify. We can push that to there. You can go to the next line, that's fine. Where what's that? Not dollar is OS binary. A very strange command. And then new AutoRuns baseline and verbose. Show me the verbose is clear, so just give me the verbose. Let's see if it pick it up. Okay, it will take time to set. So now after creating this room machine, the baseline file was generated and saved in document. That's what we have here. Now we create a new one. This is the command to create a new one. Well done, the new baseline was created. Let's wait for it. It's creating it. And then of course we need to compare between the two, so we can see if from that day we did the baseline, is it something changed or not. I like this last more blue team type, because most of the jobs in any case are in defense, not in attack. And logically is to be good in attack, you need to understand the defense, so you can't just go running around and you don't know the structure, where is the PowerShell, where is Windows, where you put their files or something. So we need to the second file, how long it will take to come out. Okay, the question is, there is another suspicious log on the registry entry. What is the full path of this key? The baseline is generated. Let's see. Okay, we know it reaches today is October 11, so it's there. So this 11 October, this one last year. So we have the baseline now was created. Now we need to compare. We use the compare command. What the hell? Compare dash autorun baseline with verbose. And of course we want that little nice graphics that we have, a grid view. So now it's comparing the two files, 1419, the ones that we already have here, 14 and 19. So he knows them as in PowerShell. So let's have this. So the question is, there's another suspicious logon registry entry. What is the full path of this key? Suspicious logon registry entry. So let's see if I can filter it in logon. There is another suspicious logon registry entry. What is the path of the key? Where is the suspicious? What is that first one? What is criteria? Log on registry, and this is the log on all that category have. Win log on, the first one is it suspicious? Let me see. System property performance. You can see our friend there. There's another one here. It's like a same type of name, User init, this one I don't think it's a normal Windows stuff, this one, so this won't look funny. Is this thing can open? No, you can't open anything in this one. Can you copy? No. Okay, I think this one, this is the one what is the shell? Hold on a minute, what is the shell? It's an Explorer. That's fine. So I think this is the one that you're talking about. This is the one that it has the bat file and it's TryHackMe on it. So this is the what is the full path of this key. So if we go to the registry, let's go to the registry's beta so we can copy it from there. Software HK, local machine, yeah. Software Microsoft Windows NT, so it's not there, so let's get there. Microsoft, let me go to Windows NT. Where are you, Windows NT? MN Windows NT current version. The next one, what is it? Current version WinLogon. Let's go to WinLogon. Okay, this is the, and we detect this file, page file, that's all normal, but this one doesn't. You can see it has. So the file, the directory for that, so we can say, if we follow the format, so it should be this. What is the full path of this key? Let's go back to that. So it's HKLM LM, the full path for this key. Okay, that's the path, so we have that path, so which is this one, so we already have. What is the value item name of this suspicious entry from question 1? The value item, you can see the value name is this, user init, and we can see it also in this one. Where is it? In AutoRun, the value, the item is user. So, and then we can go in that side. What is the value date of the suspicious registry in question 1? So we can copy from here, so it's better come here and then just copy the whole thing from here. Control A, Control C. We can copy the whole thing. What category AutoRun assigned to the entry from question 1? Yeah, the category, who is the category? So we're talking about this one. Category we search, we found is logon. The question was logon, so I assume we just filter in logon. So logon registry entry. What string is displayed on the console when the suspicious files are run? Now we know from the registry, the from here, yeah, it's the same things. You can see it here. The file is in in administrator updater local. Let's get it. This PC user administrator, updater, local, and it's in the TryHackMe folder. This is the file. Let's run this file quickly. Don't do this at home. Okay, you can see it said let me stay my friend, IND. Okay, this is the room. That's cool. So the good things you can take from this room, of course, is this autorun is good one to use for so you can add it to your arsenal. You can use this one because so you need to learn little nice someone need to practice more PowerShell. We used this one before, it's also good, but this one give you the PowerShell. That's a great things to do. I think it's better if they do I think TryHackMe are getting more and more better in the rooms. And the room finished. Thank you guys, and hope you like the video. We learning all. Thank you and have a good day.